Hello everyone, welcome back. The Indian Pengu here. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Flatpak on your CachyOS Linux system and also how to install apps from the FlatHub store in simple and easy steps you will never forget. This method is pretty simple and should work on any other Arch-based distro as well. So let's get started. I need you to open a terminal on your system and type in this command. This will update all your packages database for your CachyOS. Okay, so now this is done, we will be installing the Flatpak. So we need to install the Flatpak since it doesn't come pre-installed on CachyOS. So we will type in another command, that is sudo pacman -s space Flatpak. This will install the Flatpak package on your CachyOS Linux system. Okay, so now this is done. Next we will be adding the FlatHub repository. So on CachyOS, like most other Arch distros, this does not enable FlatHub by default. Without this step, you won't be able to install most Flatpak apps like VLC, OBS, Discord, Steam, and thousands of other apps as well, because almost all Flatpak applications come from the FlatHub. So we need to add the FlatHub repository first. So we will be typing this command, sudo flatpak remote add -- if not exists FlatHub, then the repository, that is flathub.org repo flathub.flatpak repo. So this command will add the FlatHub repository on your system. Okay, so now this is done. We need to reboot your system so the integration is fully loaded. So our system is rebooted. Now we can install the apps from FlatHub. Now let's install some apps using Flatpak. The format is pretty simple to use. Now we type Flatpak install FlatHub and any app ID. So let's just check the FlatHub store. Let's search for VLC, which I have not installed yet. Let's open it. Wait a few seconds to open. I don't know why it's taking that much time. Okay, here we go. Here you have the install button here and also the drop down here, and where you can see the manual install, and here you can use this command directly. Let's copy it. Let me just remove this and type in my command. Okay, so proceed with the changes to the system installation. Yes. Once these are installed, we can simply run these Flatpak apps using the Flatpak command. So now this is installed, then we can use the run command for the Flatpak and the ID of the app, that was org.videolan.vlc. simply. Here we go. So as you can see, we have the VLC up and running correctly here. Okay, you can watch your favorite videos now using this. Similarly, you can also install any other apps from the FlatHub store. Not just VLC, there are n number of apps which we can install. Simple commands. And if we want to update the pack itself, we can simply type flatpak update, which will just update the flatpak, and for now it has nothing to do, so it will not update anything. Also, if you want to uninstall any package, you can simply type in flatpak uninstall the app ID, which was in my case this org video LAN VLC. So this will remove the video LAN VLC installation from my system. It's pretty simple and very intuitive. Okay, so I think that would be pretty much for this video. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and if it helps you. Okay, tata, bye bye.